love your children, but do not impose your thoughts, your dreams on children, because children have their own dreams where you will not enter. Let children fulfill their own dreams. You only support them. Then he tells the parents, you are like a bow and your children are arrows. As much as the bow bends, the arrow will go to a greater distance. You be like a bow. Don't feel sorry or sad when your children go away from you, because they have to find their own life. Very difficult, no, for us to accept. We want to cling to our children. Oh, my child, my children, they should listen to me all the time. No, once they become adult, they have the freedom to live their own life. Good or bad, they are responsible. So what is our responsibility as adults? To give good example to children, give them good education, take care of them. Dr. Manohar Sardesai, a famous poet of Goa, when he was completed 70 years, there was a felicitation program for him. I attended it at Kala Academy. And he said, one thing the parent should do. That is, love your children, give them good education as per your financial status, take care of them. And then he said, one thing the parents should never do for their children. Don't accumulate riches for your children. If you do that, they will wait when my parents are going to die so that I can possess that. And then they will fight after your death for the property which you accumulated. Very sound advice. Don't accumulate anything for children. Let them earn and let them find their own way.